Fáilte over cardja, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Béaltriail Scoil Gnáth. Ag deir an seán seo beag mé ábalta. Ceistena ábhartha a hiiscint, ceistena ábhartha a raigart. An malat an scoil seo, do you like this school? Is malam an scoil seo mar tá lán cardja agam. I like this school because I have a lot of friends. Cé bhéad ábhar atá an dhéanamh agat? How many subjects are you doing? Tá mé ag déanamh studéir sé ábhar nó seacht nábhar. I am studying 6 subjects or 7 subjects. Gaeilge, Irish, Béarla, English, Mata, Maths, Francíse, French, Star, History, Tíreolaíocht, Geography, Physics, Biolaíocht, Biology, Acnamíocht Economics, Chemic, Chemistry, Acnamíocht, Economics, Cúntasaíocht, Accounting, Inaltóireacht, Engineering, Forgníocht, Construction, Ceol, Music. Cén tábhar is fearr leat? What is your favourite subject? Is fearlam Gaeilge mar? I prefer Irish because is ábhar samúla. It is an interesting subject. Is ábhar éasca é. It is an easy subject. Réitíam leis an múntóir. I get on with the teacher. Cén tábhar is fuala? What subject do you hate? Is fualam Béarlam mar? I hate English because is ábhar le dránach é. It is a boring subject. Is ábhar casta é. It is a complicated subject. Ní réitíam leis an múntóir. I don't get on with the teacher. Cad iad na háisina atá sa scoil seo? What are the facilities in this school? Tá lán áisina sa scoil seo. There are a lot of facilities in this school. Park fella, a football pitch. Court kish fella, a basketball court. Saherlin, a lab. Hall of sport, a sports hall. Canteen, a canteen. Laurelin, a library. Cad iad na sport imrítar sa scoil seo? What sports are played in this school? Imrítar a lán sports sa scoil seo. A lot of sports are played in the school. Ománaíocht, hurling. Pell, football. Soccer. Camogaíocht, camogie. An imríonn tú sport leis an scoil. Do you play sport with the school? Imríonn soccer leis an scoil. I play soccer with the school. Ní imríonn sport leis an scoil. I don't play sport with the school. Cad iad an rialach a scoile? What are the school rules? Caithfidh tú, you have to or you must. D'obair a dhéanamh, do your homework. Éadaí scoile a chahabh. Wear school uniform. Cad a tharlócht dá mris faoin na rialacha? What would happen if the rules were broken? Ní bheadh cad agat, you would not be allowed. Dul amach le de chairde ag amlód. Go out with your friends at lunchtime. Anis tá mé ábalta. Ceistena ábhartha a hiiscint, ceistena ábhartha a raigart. Slán